Hi y'all, Renee here. I am here today to show you this fun sketch challenge that my team leader, Jima Mommy from Stampin' Up, what she puts out every month to us as her team. And she puts out this challenge to use the sketch. And then we go into a drawing for some Stampin' Up product credit. Well, this month she said, hey, let's use the sketch challenge to also be our blog hop, video hop, Instagram hop, all the hops. So that's what I did. Now, I have so many scrapbook pages that don't have pictures yet. And I'm like, oh God, I don't want to create another scrapbook page that I need to put some pictures on because I need to get that caught up before I make any more. And so I thought, I wonder if I could turn this into cards. So that's what I did. Excuse me. So the inspiration for the cards was this Stampin' Die set called Darling Dinos. Very, very cute. Love this. And this is still available, by the way. And then I grabbed some paper out of the Turtley Cute paper collection, which surprisingly is still available as well. These are the sides that I used. This is what the other sides look like. So love this paper because it is so what's the word I'm looking for? Versatile? Yeah, versatile. That's the word I want. So I took that. Then I looked at the sketch and I'm like, okay, how can I make this into a card? I felt like this on the left-hand side, that would make a card pretty easy. So I'll show you that one first. And this is the card I ended up making using that sketch. And I think it turned out great. I love the way this came out. Again, you can see the two pieces of the Turtley Cute paper I used. Again, the other side was much bolder, much wilder, not something I probably could have used very easily on a card, except for I am planning to fussy cut some of those turtles and use those on other cards. But I think that turned out really cute. So that was the card that I made from this sketch, and you can see how it came together using that sketch. It was really, really fun to do. I've never done this before. Well, then I'm looking at the other one and I'm like, oh, that's a little harder. So what am I going to do? So I started turning it around. I started looking at it. I'm like, okay. And I kept coming back to this right here. And I thought, okay, yeah, I can turn that into a card. Let's see how it turned out. Well, here's how it turned out. So I used the same papers. Oh, and this green is Garden Green and Balmy Blue are the two colors that I picked, which I got from the stripes that were in the stripe paper. So I turned it on its side. Instead of 3 photos, I did 3 balloons. And then instead of the flowers, I did this little triceratops. And I just flipped the embellishment over. So the triceratops goes along with the embellishment. So I just flipped it to the other side because I liked for him to be looking at the balloons, kind of like I had this guy looking back at the sentiment. So the way that I colored these was so much fun. I just used my alcohol markers, but you could really use colored pencils. You could use really anything that you have. I really like alcohol markers. So that's what I used on both of these. And there you go. The quick little video for you today. I just wanted to give you a quick little peek into how I did this. And I think I'm going to go ahead and make some more. I did stamp some more of these, and I have some more to color up. And I also did the little T-Rex. And I put the top hat and the bow tie, the little bow tie on the T-Rex. So I still have him. I've already colored him. But I still have him to put onto a card. So probably I'll use this design for him since he's long and this is long. I thought this looked better because he was shorter. So put him on that little shorter split. But I hope you like my cards. If you have any questions about anything, you want to know more about how to get these sketch challenges, there is a joining offer this month that is amazing. And if you're interested, I'll have a link down below that gives you more information on it. It's only good through Friday, the 31st of October. And it's an amazing deal, $35. And then you pick what you want in your starter kit, and you pick up to $125 worth of product and free shipping. And you'll get that. You'll get a business packet. And then you'll also be able to join Jama's team group. You'll be able to join Jama's Upline's team group. That's Erin Jacobson. She does challenges as well. And then we have some other challenges that come from our next lineup. That would be Cindy. And it's just a really fun community. And the only thing to stay a demonstrator with Stampin' Up! Is you just have to sell $300, excuse me, $300 in product every quarter. And when you join in October, the first quarter you don't have to worry about. So it would be the end of March when you would have to meet that $300. And that's $300 before your 20% discount. So really nothing to lose. If you decide it's not for you, you don't want to continue it, you just don't do your $300. And at the end of, actually it would be the end of April, because you get 1 month as a catch-up, and then the end of April you just drop off the rolls as a demonstrator. So really great way to touch your toe into it. There are a whole bunch of demonstrators, myself included, that we consider ourselves hobby demonstrators. We don't do this as a business. I do it for the fun of all the products and also for the discount. So just being honest with y'all, that's what I do. So, but if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. Check it out. And in the meantime, let me know which of these 2 cards are your favorite, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.